Mediacorp has unveiled the 24 contestants tonight in its talent discovery program, Star Search, which is back after a 9-year hiatus.
The 12 male and 12 female contestants were chosen from a pool of 1,200 hopefuls from countries like Singapore, Malaysia and China, following open auditions in May.
Veteran artists Chen Hanwei, Huang Biren and Christopher Lee will play mentor to the budding stars, and they will undergo training to hone their rhythmic, articulation and acting abilities.
The list will be halved to just 12 for the grand final on the 3rd of November.
It's important that you must have the talent, at least the basic one. I think, yes, I would say that appearance, it does count, but it is not the most important thing, because we have stylists. What are stylists for? More importantly, you must have the charisma and the attitude. The good attitude will make you travel a long way.